So these sawhorses are bent. If you watch my other video on how to make a cheap shooting stand, just watch that on how I built it. These are bent. I got new sawhorse brackets. The wood's fine. You can obviously see there was a link like this to hold the chain in place that was shot and broken. Chains are shot and broken. More right there. So obviously I got more chain to replace these, more swivel hooks. This bracket's bent. The frame on that yard sign is bent. This one was shot. I cut part of it off, but anyway, it's time to do some repairs to this thing. New yard signs with frames, more spray paint to color, 2 new sawhorses. Now let's get into repairing this thing. Forgot about these 5/8 nuts on the front and on the back that I gotta take off. 5/8 for both. First bolt and washer, shot and bent, scrapping it. Leftovers from the first time. This came from something else, but it works. Second one, that was shot, so it's bent. This nut's not coming off. You know what that means? Freaking DeWalt grinder. Let's get it off. Going to... wow. Let's start with grinding off this link. It's cut, chain came off. That's freaking hot as shit. Gotta leave a little bit of space to put those links in, so there's gonna be a little bit of a gap. Link number 1, one of these unscrew ones here. Now we grind off the rest in the back. You make me get another battery, aren't you, bastard? Again, grind off the burrs. Yep, it just ain't gonna look right with all this chain up here. We're gonna grind that off now too. So here's the yard bracket again, and you'll see I basically took the bracket, just drilled some pilot holes into the side of the wood, and of course it mounts from the side like this. What I need to do is use the new ones now. I'll take these old screws out to get this bent sawhorse bracket off of here. Again, just starting out. That's 2 2x4s. One goes in each side here. Close them together. Start zipping some screws in. First side's done. Nice and screwed in tight. And of course, when the top piece goes over here with the ding plate, as you open it, it's biting onto that board, holding it in place. Gotta trim these brackets a little bit. They're also gonna be sticking out real far.
You can be all the things you always wanted to be. Beautiful, sexy, easy as 1, 2, 3. Just let your soul glow. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow, baby. Feeling oh so silky smooth. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow. Soul glow.
That is a beautiful refresh. Looks great. Okay, what the hell is that in my backyard? Who put this contraption back here? What is it, a float, paper mache, some kind of freaking balloon? Unbelievable. I go take a shower, I come back out to this thing. That pisses me off. Well, let's take care of it.